In this video tutorial, I will put you through on how to download and install OBS Studio on a Windows 11 laptop. I will also walk you through on how to set it up for screen recording. Let's just get right into it. First is to open your web browser. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. As your browser opens, in this search area, which you can also call the address bar area, type OBS Studio, all right? Then after that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard for it to search. Now, you'll be taken to some search results, just as you can see right now. Click on OBS Studio, which is the one pointing here, okay? The one pointing at obsproject.com, okay? You can see Windows, you can see Mac OS, you can see Linux. Here, I'm using Windows PC, so I'll click on this. The file is downloading, so let's wait for it to finish downloading to continue the rest of the processes. All right, the application is done downloading into my Windows 11 PC, and I need to proceed with the installation. It's either I go through the downloads folder or you click on it, okay, as it appears here. So let me click on it here. A notification will show up on your screen asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You may not see that from your end because of the settings of this PC. But what you need to do is to click on Yes button. Then you'll be taken to this page. Click on Next. Then click on Next. Then click on Install. So be patient for the installation to be completed. And here we are. The installation is done. Okay. And here it's this option Launch OBS Studio 32.0.2 is selected, meaning that we want it to launch once you click on Finish. So let's do that. All right, so this has opened, and here we have audio output capture already added and display capture added as well. All right, but if you don't have these two, please click on this plus sign and select the display capture. All right, which after that you click on OK for it to be added. But I like the way OBS do it now. They add it before, as you install the program, they add it. Okay, so let's see what you can change here. You can click on settings to see few things. Okay. Then on this settings page, you can see some things about it. The output, show confirmation dialog we're starting. We don't need that. All right. But if you want to select any, please do. Okay. So, and a lot of information here. Let's click on video. When we get to video, 60 is selected here, which is cool. Then the best canvas resolution is 1920 by 1080, and the output scaled resolution is 1920 by 80, which is cool, is fine. All right, and you have these FPS values as 60, which is perfect. All right, so this is how you install this program on your Windows 11. Let's say I want to start recording screen right now. I will click on this record screen, start record. Once it's done, I will click on that again. You will see a stop button here. Click on that for it to stop. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.